Okay, najua vitu easy lakini usichukulie ovyo. Yes, this is a kama browser, this is a search bar, this is an address bar. Kama browser nyingine, you know. Mozilla, this is a search bar, this is an address bar, you know. Be careful, nigga. This is Google whatever, this is a search bar, this is a search bar. Okay, this is the address bar, you know. Because you can get a website, for example, this is revenue, this is southern revenue, this is the address bar, yeah. This is called address. Address here, National Revenue Authority here, South Sudan, you know. This is the address, you know. If I give you address like this, you put it straight in the address bar, you know. I mean, fuck, this is what I'm talking about, nigga. I give an address. If I tell you go google.com, you put it here on Google. This is the address bar. Don't search it here, you know. For example, naweza kupa link kama hii. This is blah 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 blah. Sasa ukija kuweka kwenye search bar, kwenye search bar unaona utapata results ambao tofauti na sio kila bwana. Unasema hiyo link haipo. So be careful nigga. Kumbe hiyo link ukiibonyeza hii blah 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 ambayo nimeweka ilikuwa inakupeleka kwenye kusign in kwenye Revenue Authority ya Uganda, you know. So be careful with search bar na address bar, you know. If somebody gives an address, go straight to the address. If someone gives a search, blah 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 search, okay? All right? Ciao.
These are the things. These are my things. These are your things. These are the fundamentals.